Today, we're going to explore how you can discover effects or trends on TikTok. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, it's super simple. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Look for the button with a plus icon at the center of the bottom menu and tap on it to start creating a new TikTok. Once the camera interface loads, locate the effects button, typically at the bottom left corner of the screen, and tap on it. In the effects section, you'll notice a tab labeled Trending or Trend. This is where you can explore a variety of popular effects currently being used by creators. To try out an effect, simply tap on it, and it will automatically apply to your video. If you find an effect you really like and want to use it later, tap on the favorite icon next to it. This will save the effect to your favorites for easy access in the future. To find your favorite effects, go back to the Effects section and tap the icon located to the left of the Trend tab. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more TikTok tips. See you in the next one.